Today, we will be discussing developing argument, which will not only help our research papers, but your day-to-day life. Say we want to argue how dogs are better than cats. After today's presentation, we should be able to learn about developing argument and how we can honestly argue that dogs are better than cats. To do this, we'll be looking at claim, counterclaim, evidence, and analysis, which all of these things are parts of an argument. Using all of them will help us further develop our argument. So to do so, we need to understand what each one is. First, claim, which is what you are arguing in favor of. For today's lesson, we're talking about and arguing that dogs are better than cats. We also need to address our counterclaim, which is the other side of the argument. So that would be cats are better than dogs. And by addressing the other side of the argument, we'll show our audience that we're not being biased, but we actually understand both sides, which will further make arguments stronger and help develop those arguments. Next, we need to look at evidence, which is facts, statistics, interviews, any information that will help support your argument. So according to animal experts, dogs are loyal. Another tip with this is using more reliable sources such as scholarly articles, .gov, .org, .edu sources instead of Wikipedia. That will also help develop your argument by having those strong sources. And then we need to analyze, which is explaining how our evidence relates back to our overall claim and argument. So dogs being known to be loyal, there's my evidence, unlike cats, makes them better because they will always be there for you. I'm linking my argument about dogs being better in evidence to one through this explanation. By using our claim, counterclaim, and evidence and analysis and having that all circle back and relate to our argument in the end is going to be the ultimate way to further develop our arguments.